Okay, this video guide hopefully is gonna help you out on these. So again, this one is the ending line. This one down here is the starting line where it's starting. And if I graph that, that's at -3. And then that slope being 2/1 is telling me every time I go right 1, up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1, up 2, I want to graph them parallel. They're always parallel. So the starting line is starting right here down at -3, and I can see it's ending going clearly up. This is a shift up, and it's going up 1, 2, 3, 4, going up 4. That number goes right here for my K number. That is K right there. So the first thing, find that transformation equation. That is h of x equals the original f of x plus 4. That's the first answer I'm looking for. Do you know what the shift is? Shift up. And then looking at these equations, do you know anything perpendicular, slope perpendicular to f of x? So f of x, if you look, f of x has a slope of 2. So something perpendicular is taking that 2, flipping it, and also oppo, so -1/2 is perpendicular. Parallel, of course, is the same slope, so that would be 2 would be parallel. Perpendicular would be -1/2. Again, that would be coming at this at a pattern of right 1, down 2, right 1, down 2, gives me that parallel look, that 90-degree look. All right, here we go. Next one, finding just perimeter. So I know that this is 2. I know that this one right here is 3. I know the total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total is 5. My height right here, I believe, is 6. So I'm trying to find these numbers right here. I'll do one the X blue and one in black. All right, so to find that black one, x squared equals 2 squared plus 6 squared. X squared equals 4 plus 36. X squared equals 40. So if I square root 40, let's write that 40 right there. If I square root 40, remember these cancel away. That gives me x equals, and root 40, if I do it in my calculator, gives me 6.324. Remember, I'm rounding to this spot right here. So that number is not enough to make it round up by 1. So this is 6.3. To find this blue x, x squared, 3 squared, 9. Add them up. Gives me 45. First random word is blue. Extra credit for listening. Thank you. Square root. That gives me x equals 6.708. Not enough to round up by 1. That's going to stay at 6.7. All right, to find that perimeter, I'm going to add them all up. So I got that 5 plus that 6.3 plus that 6.7. All I'm going to do is add them up. 5 plus 6.3 plus 6.7 gives me 18 for this one. All right, moving on. Again, looking at this one, this is the ending line. This right here, we'll do it in blue. This is the starting line. So starting at +4, And then that -3 means I'm going right 1, down 3, right 1, down 3, right 1, down 3. That is my starting line, best I can draw that. That is f of x. This one down here is h of x. Not sure why I printed it up there. That's h of x. And then again, know that this one has it shifting down. It's going down for this one. And how many am I going down? 1, 2, 3. That's my shift number right here. So if I'm writing that equation, it is h of x equals f of x minus 3. And again, that shows what's going on right there. That is starting at +4, going down 3 to get my new y-intercept of 1. And then again, here we go. Perpendicular. Give me something perpendicular to f of x being -3. So if I took -3, flipped it, and oppoed it, which means oppo, that becomes +1/3. Or let's write it better. Gives me 1/3. All right, if I'm doing one parallel is the same slope, -3. All right, here we go, another perimeter. This guy right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one right here, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. That total is 9 at the bottom. This height right here, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's find those two sides and then add them up. Here I go. Let's find that black one. X squared. That gives me 25. Next random word is dolphin. Here we go. Thanks for listening. Now add these up. That gives me a perimeter of 24. All right, I believe I have one more. Here I go. Got time. This one, again, this is where it's ending. Starting -1/2. Draw your line through those. That's the starting line. So I can see this one is shift down. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, going down 5. So that number right here is the original one being moved down 5. And then for those you listen, again, remember it starts at 3 right here, going down by 5 to get this -2 right there. All right, here we go. Perpendicular. Perpendicular to -1/2. Flip it and oppo, so that becomes 2/1, which is 2. One that is parallel would be the same. And then just one more time, if you come at any line at a perpendicular, it gives you a line that forms a perfect right angle right there. All right, here we go. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is, looks like 4 boxes tall. Let's find these two lengths right here. Gives me x squared, 5 squared plus 4 squared. Gives me x squared equals 41. When I square root that, remember these cancel away. That gives me x equals 6.403. So that rounds to 6.4. To find the other one, x squared. And round that up. Last word is snake. All right, so add these all up. This is 9. So I got 9, 6.4, 5.7. Add them up. That gives me 21.1. All right, thank you for listening.